Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to underline text in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the text. Okay, now here, as you can see this option on bottom, edit, just click on it. Okay, here, just click on this U icon and you, okay, click on this U icon. Make sure to select the text before clicking this option. Just double click on it. Okay, just double click on it and click on this arrow, whatever it is, and click on select all. Okay, after that, just click on underline and your text will be underlined. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.